last time you contracted a muscle 100% without moving? The answer is never. So it is very rare to contract a muscle without movement, and it's impossible to contract a muscle 100% voluntarily, and I'd be willing to bet that no human in the history of humans has ever contracted a muscle 100% voluntarily. So why do I ask? I ask because that's the foundation of the experiments that brought us this, the skeletal muscle force length or length tension relationship. So what this says, I'll use my bicep as an example, is that as we lengthen a muscle and we contract, our ability to produce force decreases, as you can see by this tailing end over here. Similarly, as we shorten the muscle and try to contract, our ability to produce force decreases. However, at some intermediate length, right in the middle, we have just right conditions to contract and produce optimal force. Now this is a problem because it falls apart when we try to use it to predict physiologically relevant dynamic movement as seen in activities like running and swimming. Now what we're trying to do to improve this is by replicating the classic experiments that brought us this, and we're attaching a compliant element in the form of a latex band, and we're tying it to the end of a skeletal muscle and reproducing the experiments that brought us this. And we're finding that as we do these experiments, this relationship is shifting significantly. Now this is really important because this has been around since the 1930s. It's very intuitive, so not a lot of amendments have been proposed for it. And it's published in almost every anatomy and physiology textbook, and it's used to predict muscle movement and programming for biomedical applications like power prosthetics and robotic exoskeletons. So with our findings, we're helping to improve the efficiency and accuracy of biomedical applications, and we're helping to suggest that skeletal muscle is a little bit more complicated than we're giving it credit for, and we're helping improve our knowledge of the human body and